Hello, farm clients. Yes, how you all doing? Yeah, I'll be addressing you all as farm client because you are either my family or a client that is achieving something for me, or I'm achieving something from you. So, if you are just coming across this video on YouTube, do well to like and share and comment what you think about the video, how helpful it is on the video. So, this is a community, and this video is for my community, free class community, where I get to teach and pour out to people that need the knowledge. So in today's bonus class, I'll be showing you what you need for your corset to come out well and neat, the material you need and the material you need to use. So this is stay material. This is called nylon stay. This is a thick
Interfacing is called nylon ST, the thick one. So we have nylon ST, the soft one, and we have ST. We have cotton ST, we have cloth ST. This is nylon ST, the thick one. It's so light and it's a bit stretchy. It's a bit stretchy. It's called nylon ST. So nylon ST. This material is new in the market, and I bought it for about 600 naira per yard. No, 900 naira per yard. This one. And the next one on our list is the nylon ST itself. This is nylon ST. This is nylon ST. You can see that this one is a bit lighter, and it's not stretchy. It's not stretchy whatsoever. So you see, this is and it has glue. Yeah, it has glue on it. So the next one on our list is this is new in the market also. This is called cotton ST. This is cotton ST. Trust me, this interface is superb, is nice, and it's when you put it on your material, it's thick. It's just don't remove anyhow. So I like it. I like the texture. I like the thickness of the material. This is called cotton ST, and this is called cloth ST. The next one is cloth ST. This is cloth ST. So I also like this one too. I like the thickness. I like the way it feels. So this is the old ST we all know. This is cloth ST, and this is the oldest one. This one is new in the market. Like I said, this one is new in the market, and it's also ST. So all these are interface that you can use to interface, to use as an interface for your corsets, for your material, for your fabric, before sewing them together, or before even piecing the material. So the material I won't advise you to use is paper stay. This is how paper stay looks like. Don't use this paper stay for anything. Paper stay is price now in the market, Lagos market, is 300 naira. So I won't advise you to use paper stay for your corset in any way. You can use it to you can use it to line clothes for other projects, but using paper stay for corset, it's a no-no, because the outcome of your corset will not be as neat as you want. It won't be smooth. You see, all these ST I just mentioned, the finishing, the way they glue on the clothes, the way the texture comes out, it's superb. So STs are the best interface to use for your corset if you want the outcome to be top notch. Yeah. So the next thing on our list is the boning and how to use them. So this boning is thick boning. This is the thickest boning we have. We have this, and we have iron boning. That one is a bit flexible. So it comes in different size. You know, it comes in different size. This is 12 mm. This is 12 mm. We have 8 mm. They have 10 mm. They have ranges like that. It comes, but this is the thickest one on the chart. This is the thickest one, and this is called plastic boning. So we use this boning to, after caging, after making your rope, you can use this one, just pass it into it to strengthen your corset, your corset casing. You can use this one, and it's not sewable. You have to make a channel for it where you pass it through. You have to make a casing, like you have to make a house for it before you can put it in. So this one is not sewable. This one you have to make a casing. Yeah. And then we have this one. This one is virgining boning. So this one is sewable. You can also call it sewable boning. So this one is sewable, and it's easy. It's flexible too. It's flexible, and so if you want to make corset and you don't want your boning to be visible, so you don't want your boning line to be visible, you can use this one. And we have the tiny boning, the tiniest one, plastic boning. We have that one too. So this is underburst wire. This is called underburst wire. You see your bra, that ring in your bra, this is it. So we put this to cup our corset. So we use this to cup our corset so that the corset will stay in good form. And for your underburst, if you are using this for any project, any corset project, make sure you emphasize on your customer not to wear bra at all. As I was saying, if you are using this for your project, any of your projects, make sure to not use bra after using this. Make sure not to wear bra, because this is a bra wire already. So your cup, this gives it a well cup finishing. So I don't know how I can overemphasize on the usefulness of this underwire, bra underwire. So it's important to know the usefulness, and when making corset we have to put it, especially when making corset for a bigger boob. So this size right here, this size is for bust 50, 54, 48 to 54. I can use this for them, for my big, and I can also use this for, and this is the small. I can use this for my bust 30. I can use it for bust 30. It comes in different size. When sourcing for your material, make sure you talk to the vendor you are purchasing your material from to give you the particular size you want to use. So that's that about the corset and what we need. So I'll be showing you how to go about it in the next video.
So my people, I'm just trying to show you the material I'm about to use this for. Well, this is not part of the video, but I just want you to see the way how fluffy nylon neste feels on doll face. So this is doll face, and look at the finishing. Look at how fluffy it is. No rumple, nothing. Everything feels so soft, and the surface feels so nice. No rumpleness. If you use cotton stay, it might not give you this same effect. If you use light paper stay, it might not give you this same effect. If you use peplum stay, it might not give you the same effect. We have different kind of interfacing in the market. So when you are sourcing for your material, make sure you know get the whole information together before before you source for your material. This is for the new bees in the house. This is for the new member in fashion industry. If you are just coming up and you don't really know the material to use, this video is for you. And make sure to share this video to someone. So I'll be hi guys, good evening. Oh no, I don't need to say good evening, so I'm gonna cut that please. Hi guys, so welcome to part 2 of corset week 1 advanced class. So I'll be starting the class, and what I'll be doing now is I want to infuse this interfacing. This is called nylon ST, and you can also call it thick nylon ST because this one is thicker than the regular one in the market. So I'll be using this as interfacing on my Mikado silk. This is Mikado silk, the dull face, not the shiny face. That the shiny face is popular. So this is the dull face. So this is the material I'm using for my corset, and yes. So I am putting this facing this material, this interfacing, because I want this to be the cup. I'm using this part for the cup, for my cup. I'm using it to cut the cup, not the body. So I'm just using this one to cut the cup, and I don't want any rumple anywhere on my cup. I just want the smooth surface. I want a smooth, very very smooth surface. So that's why I'm using the nylon ST, the thick nylon ST. So the nylon ST so that I can give it the consistent that I want. So I'll double it. So guys, I've went ahead to add the two layer soft ST. So this is how the back of the material looks like. So I'll re-iron it so that I can smoothen out. Now I'll be cutting out my So if you don't have nylon ST, you can also use your ST, the cloth ST, the thick one. You can also use it. It is what we've been using from years. What we've been using that has been coming out. So if you don't have nylon ST, you can use ST. This is ST, and this is how ST looks on the Mikado silk. So you can use it. So on my list, I have some material that ST is not good for. Number one is silk material. Silk, satin, duchess silk. You see, silk, satin, duchess silk. Este is not a good material. Is not a good interface for that. You can use Este for Mikado silk. You can use Este for doll face. You can use it for shiny face. You can use it for damask. You can use it for any other thick, medium thick fabric. But you see jelly fabric, soft fabric, light fabric, and you want to use it to make corset, it will later bounce back because it will rumple. You can use Este is perfect for Ankara. Ankara don't have problem with Este. You can use Ankara for this project. And this is my cup. Look at how beautiful the cup is. Mind you, I've not ironed this cup at all. Well, I've ironed the cup, but I've not ironed the basin, and we've not concluded the cup. This is just a reference to what I was saying. Look at the smoothness on the cup. Look at the alignment on their cup. Can you see any rumple? Can you see any rumple at all? No, you cannot see it. Not on my corset. Because I've tried this and I will keep trying it. I know how beautiful this corset is. Even your online tutor, your online tutor cannot beat this except they use my secret. Yes, except they use my secret. Look at the fitting. So that is why I'm trying to use my medium, my platform, to share the good news and to share what I know is best, because I've been there, I've tried, I'm self-taught, right? I'm self-taught, and I like to, gain, to add people ideas left and right and check what works for me. And this has been working for me over the years. So people will be like, how do you make this your corset? How did it come out? How did it come out? Well, like I said before in this video, when we start, I said we have under bust wire. So this is our bra wire, and yeah, I'm trying to bend it so that it can give me the curvy room I want. I don't want it too wide. I want it to be well, curved. So make sure, except if you especially if you are a plus size, your bust is 45 and above, you need to bend your bra wire very well, so that under bust can sit well and pack your boobs. So I'm showing you how to insert. This is the way I do insert my under bra wire. So this is the way I do it, and this is what works for me. You can try my method. If you feel like you want to stick with it, you can stick with it. If you feel like you want to add your own method, you can add to the method. Mind you, no stitch whatsoever at the back, at the front. You won't see any nonsense stitch at the front of my corset. I like everything to be seamless. Fine. So yeah, I'm just trying to, pass my brown wire through that case I've made already. So I use my hand, needle and thread, to tack down my corset and my cup. So I made my cup from scratch. That's another video by on its own. So make sure to watch my full video, the full video that is coming up, the corset video, the part 2. Make sure to watch it. When you watch it, you understand how we how we achieve that closure. So yeah, I have the one. You can see the difference between bra wire and no bra wire. Bra wire give you that ready-made corset look. So this is the importance of bra wire. This is why I'm making this video. I want you to know that bra wire is not something that you can just leave out of your corset making. You have to put it, is inside of it. You have to add it to your budget. You have to add it to your material when sourcing for material for corset. You understand? If you want your corset to come out as perfect as this, make sure to add bra. This is how it is. We've not make so much money on corset. We've make about, I won't make mouth. So guys, make sure to follow, share, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please and please and please comment. Yes, if you like to join my community, my WhatsApp community, drop a comment. I will send you the link you get. I will send you as a reply so that you can, join our group too. So I think I have satisfied some people now. So thank you for watching.